I got a DJI Mavic Air. I have it right here. So it's my first drone ever. I have basically never flown a drone before. I tried DJI Phantom 4 once and that's it. So I figured I'm gonna bring you guys with me on my first like test shoot with it. The settings that I'm gonna be running on my drone are the Cine D profile, and I'm gonna film 2.7K 50 FPS, and then we'll see what it looks like in this beautiful evening.
This is a homage beat.
Alright, first real test flight with DJI Mavic Air. It's pretty scary, like you have such an expensive tool flying in the air, but I felt confident. Like I've never flown a drone before, but I lost the signal once, but then I got it back in 2 seconds, so I don't know, it seems cool. I'm excited to get used to flying it and getting good at flying it and being able to take cool pictures and videos with it. Yeah, I don't know, it seems super easy to use. I used one battery and it lasted me for the whole time. I also recorded on the internal storage in the Mavic. It seems to be working good. The phone clamp isn't really holding your phone in there. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but it didn't really hold my phone too well. It didn't fall out or anything, but it just didn't hold it so well. I don't know, that's the only thing I was thinking about. I'm pleasantly surprised by how easy it was. Tried a little bit. I flew 2 times before this in the beginning, not in the beginner's mode, and now I tried out the sports mode. Wow, like it goes super fast in the sports mode. But yeah, it was easier than I thought. Hopefully the videos turn out alright. I'm gonna keep my hands on them to see if I can grade them to look good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something new, and yeah, I'll probably make some follow-up videos on the Mavic as well, because there's definitely a lot more to learn. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and put down in the comment section what you want to see next. Yeah, see you guys later.